Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release for 2025. The four-wheel camper van that's perfect for those who want to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort. This is the ideal blend of functionality, innovation, and style. So let's check out all the amazing features of this camper van. Asterisk right off the bat, you'll notice the design. The exterior is sleek, modern, and built to tackle any terrain. The body is compact, but doesn't compromise on space inside. It's got this futuristic look that's both eye-catching and functional. With its large windows, you get a panoramic view of your surroundings, making every road trip feel like an adventure. Asterisk, but it's not just about looks. This camper is built to perform. It's powered by an eco-friendly engine with efficient fuel consumption, and it's fully equipped to handle long trips. Asterisk. Now, let's take a look at the interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious cabin. Despite the compact size, the layout is cleverly designed to maximize every inch. The kitchenette features a sleek countertop, a small sink, and an induction cooktop for easy meal prep. There's also ample storage space for all your essentials, so you won't feel cramped. Asterisk, one of my favorite features is how the seating area can transform into a foldable bed, allowing you to make the most out of the limited space. The interior design is warm and welcoming with wooden accents, and the lighting is soft, giving it a cozy cabin-like vibe. Asterisk, for those of you looking for a tech upgrade, this camper doesn't disappoint. It's got smart systems built in for temperature control, lighting, and even water management. Plus, it comes with a small but efficient entertainment setup, making it perfect for rainy days or when you just want to unwind after a day of exploring. Asterisk, when it comes to driving, this camper is a breeze. Its three-wheel design might seem unconventional, but it makes the camper surprisingly nimble, perfect for winding roads and tight spots. Plus, the low center of gravity provides excellent stability, even when you're driving off the beaten path. Asterisk, so, should you consider this camper for your next adventure? Absolutely. Whether you're someone who loves road trips, weekend getaways, or long-term exploration, this 2025 four-wheel camper van is a game changer. Asterisk, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think about this new camper. Until next time, happy travels.